Hey Autobloggers, Amr here. I'm really excited to show you this product that we got in today. A company out in Berkeley, California, Monkey Electric, makes these illuminating LED light attachments for your bike. The idea behind this is to help riders become more visible to cars during night bike rides, but also look fly while going around town. And guess what? Guess what, guys? He sent us two. Yeah, they sent us the A15 Automatic, which is the starter version, and the M232R to test out. They do have a Pro version, but we don't have that one today. The difference between the Pro version and these two is that the Pro version actually plays GIFs, videos, and your own custom artwork, which is actually pretty awesome. But the issue is it's priced at $995 for the Pro version, right? The A15 Automatic is currently priced at $39.99, and the M232R comes in at $65.79. Both are available on Amazon right now. Check the description below. It is crazy, the price difference between these two and the Pro version at $995. All right, so let's check out these two real quick. So the A15 Automatic has a automatic on and off, a smart speed sense, USB rechargeable, 40 lumen, 4 LEDs, full color, 360-degree view, and it's also waterproof. Awesome. Let's check on the back real quick. It actually comes with 23 optional built-in lights. That's actually really awesome that they're offering that. And it fits wheels 16 inches and larger. On 14 lumen, it has 17 hours of battery life. So I'm guessing, yep, 6 hours for the 40 lumen for sure, which is not bad. I mean, that's not a bad ride time.
No, I don't know how many people are taking 6-hour-long bike rides every day.
And then now let's check out the M232R. Now, this one is actually one notch below the Pro, which is actually pretty cool. It has USB rechargeable, 200 lumen, 32 LEDs, waterproof, and comes with 42 themes that you can choose from, which is crazy amount of themes in there. And they're all colorful, all different. You would have, let me show another camera. You have skull and bones, you have hearts, you have a dead fish apparently in there. You got lightning, you got flowers, and oh, you also have Space Invaders too as well in there, which is actually really cool, really awesome. And it fits 20-inch wheels and larger, but the thing about this, you have to go 10 miles an hour for pattern visibility to appear. And of course, it's made for all weather use. Monkey Electric want to see more of these on the road, so check the description to see how you can win one of these two. Let's open up these two packages and see what we have inside. We'll start out with the A15 first. All the package is in there. And you got the instructions on how to actually hook it up on your wheel. You have zip ties, including a USB charger, and some stickers with the Space Invader right on there. That's actually awesome. Here's the A15 version. Really, really small. The first thing you see when you open the package is the circuit board, encased in plastic. And the plastic feels really smooth. It's like really soft. And you got a black and red button. And these two white pieces right here in the front, and also on the back, are the LED lights. And this right here, I believe this is a charging unit. Okay, this is awesome that you're able to actually remove the charging unit. So that's the A15. Looking forward to hooking this up. And now let's look at the M232R. It actually shows you right here all the different themes that the M232R has and the different button pattern that you can do for the color, and the reset, the power, and also the selection from all the themes that you can pick, which buttons you're supposed to be pressing. That's actually pretty cool. You got an elephant, you got a ladybug, you got fire and flames, you have hearts, and the list goes on and on and on. I love the different style of it. That's really awesome. Just like the A15, it looks exactly like the same charging unit and the same placement as well. But here is the M232R, encased in plastic as well. Whoa. It looks complicated. You can see the circuit board and everything that's inside of it. And what's really unique too is around the circuit board itself, you can see multiple notches here and here, here and here. And those are designed to actually place it on your bike wheel. That's really cool, and I'm really looking forward to hooking this up to my bike. And there are directions in how to hook this up to your bike wheel. And of course you have the zip ties and a USB charger, micro USB charger, and two security fasteners as well. And of course stickers that says Monkey Electric, Hearts, Electricity, and Space Invaders. Here's our package. Let's hook up the M232R and the A15 to my bike that I bought for $20. Hopefully it can hold me, and hopefully it doesn't break when I actually test it out on the road. So let's do this thing. All right guys, here's the bike, $20. There's cobwebs all over it, rust, some weird yellow stuff, but you know what? For 20 bucks, it's functional. We're gonna hook the back wheel with the M232R, and the front wheel, we're gonna hook it up with the A15 automatic. So, you know what? Without further ado, let's just get to the back wheel and get it done. The cool thing about this is actually, it looked really easy to put together. I mean, the company Monkey Electric kind of made it so easy for consumers to just hook it up on there, zip tie it on, and just go. We're gonna let the batteries charge because they're empty right now. We're gonna take a look at the instructions and check out the YouTube tutorial, and then come back and install. All right, so I checked out the tutorial. I'm ready to hook the M232R to the back wheel. It looks simple enough, and I'm ready to do it right now. Metal piece, make sure it's inside, like that. And then you take this plastic piece right here and you put it between the metal piece and the notches. And then you slide your zip tie right in. And then out in the other. Like that. Zip tie in. You can do it just like that. You hook it up like that. Move it all the way out. Put it in the loop and zip tie that other end. And then now you gotta hook up the charging unit. They want you to first put one zip tie in the hole. There's two designated holes right here. And then you put the other like that. So you make sure that the power cable is the closest to here. Oh my God, finally. Now the second one. So we have to keep it that way. Here's the best possible position for this. Let's wrap it around multiple times. Oh, just like that. All right, now that we attach the M232R to the back wheel, we're gonna go ahead and attach the A15 automatic to the front wheel. So let's do it right now. So right in the inside, something a little flatter. Okay, here would be the best spot. Yeah, definitely here. Same thing like before. You got the plastic piece. Find the notch and loop in the zip tie. There's one. Again, just like before, zip locks in. All right, one in. Let's go to the other one. Two in. And you make sure that the wires are pointing to the LED. And then once you have it all set and ready, just pull. Perfect. And now we are gonna just loop this thing around because I don't want it flying everywhere. Boom! There we go. Perfect. And then just cut off the excess zip locks. There's one, two, perfect. All right, everyone. It's hooked up, it's fully charged, it's ready to go. Everything is powered on. We're gonna shut off the lights and see him in action.
That looks about 1,000,000 times better than this thing. Yeah. Like, 1,000,000. Oh my god, the skulls. Wow. Yeah, particularly the one on the back wheel. That looks awesome.
Which theme do you guys want?
What were our choices?
Oh my god, you have 42.
I like the spiders.
Spiders?
I love the spiders and honestly the flowers look
So
kinda cool.
it's 18.
This company needs to set up a tent at Burning Man.
Yes, that's the one. This is the spider one. Oh yeah, now you can see it. That's cool.
This is a cool product.
This is awesome.
I'm a fan.
I'm happy of this one right now. Monkey Lights looks amazing in the dark, and we can't wait to try it out at night. Time for final thoughts. It's a cool product that does what it's supposed to do. Improves your visibility when riding at night. The multicolor and multi-graphics are eye-catching and pretty cool. I guess a few things that I didn't like was the zip ties. I would have loved it if there was a reusable clamp instead of the disposable plastic waste. This would make switching the Monkey Light over to other bikes easier, but more importantly, more green. Another thing I would have loved was the ability to add custom light designs to the M232R, rather than having to spend $1,000 on the Pro version. I like the $66 version we have here, but being able to program my own visuals would be awesome. But even with these few criticisms, I do love this product. It's colorful, cool, and unique. When we took it out for a test ride, it really did turn heads of a few onlookers who were smiling and seemed to really enjoy the lights and graphics as we rode by. So if you're not fazed by the price tag, Monkey Light is a definite buy for me. But to be clear, I recommend the M232R over the base model because the graphics are what makes this cool, and the base model is a little more than a safety light for $40. And there are cheaper options out there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to get alerts for our latest content. Let us know what you think of Monkey Light and comment below on what you'd like to see us test out next. I'm Amr, I'll see you in the next episode.